Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Chrome network changed error on Windows 11. First, restart your router. Turn it off and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Next, turn off any VPN you are using. VPN services can change your network settings and cause this error. If the error is still there, flush your DNS. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Wait for the confirmation message, then restart your computer. You can also reset Chrome settings. Open Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then click Reset Settings. Choose Reset Settings to their original defaults and confirm. This will not delete your bookmarks, but it will reset extensions and other settings. Finally, clear your browser cache. Go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, choose the time range as All Time, and click Clear Data. After completing these steps, the error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.